Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw pasta easy method. Start by boiling 12 ounces of pasta until al dente, then drain and cool. While pasta cooks, shred cabbage and carrots and make a tangy dressing with mayo, vinegar, mustard, and a pinch of sugar. Toss cooled pasta with vegetables and dressing, season to taste, chill briefly, and serve chilled or room temperature for maximum crunch and flavor. For a reliable coleslaw pasta, start with common ingredients and keep proportions simple. Cook and cool 12 ounces of pasta while shredding about 4 cups of cabbage and 1 cup of carrots. Whisk together 1 cup mayo, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 1 teaspoon sugar for a tangy, creamy dressing. Fold everything gently, taste for salt and pepper, and add herbs if you want a fresher finish before chilling briefly. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect in the kitchen for setting timers, playing music, and reading recipes hands-free while you prep. It fits on a counter and brings life to your space with clear sound and helpful voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Begin by cooking the pasta to al dente, rinsing under cold water, and letting it drain thoroughly. While pasta cools, shred cabbage and carrots and whisk the dressing until smooth. Gently fold the dressing into vegetables first, then combine with pasta so each piece is lightly coated. Chill the salad for about 30 minutes to meld flavors, taste for seasoning adjustments, and garnish with herbs or a squeeze of lemon before serving for a bright finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.